Hello everyone, welcome back to IndianCoding.com. Today we are going to discuss about GIT security SSH. So what is this? So up to this point, we have used HTTPS to connect our repository. Okay, so what is SSH? SSH means Secure Cell Network Protocol. Okay, that is used for the network management, remote file transfer, or remote system access. So it will secure all the networks, whoever using to share the files uh, that you are working on. Okay, so if you are going to access any file, it will make sure that your file is secure to the network. It will not leak to anybody else. Okay, only the if you're mentioning the public, then only it is work as a public. If you're mentioning it in private key, it will not it will share to the private key. Okay, so the public key is the one you share with the remote party. Think of this more as a lock. Okay, that means you can share more than the person you wanted to share. That is the meaning of public key. And the private key means you can now this has become the secure. Only you can keep the access to yourself only. You will, and it will be the lock. Other person cannot be able to see that what you have created. Okay, so it is created so that the public key can be divided from the private key, but not for the other way around. So these are the two kinds of method that you need to understand in SSL. It is all about the security that you have created for your file. Fine. So I have mentioned all the points here. You can see on screen. You can read this file and you will be able to understand. Okay. So read this file. Just copy this file in copy this points in your notebook. You will be able to understand and read this. So you will. I have mentioned everything in a short form, so you will be able to understand it properly. Okay. Details are mentioned in this points only. Okay. So how to generate this file? For generating this file, we have to start by creating a new file using an email address label. For example, I have mentioned here. So if I want to create one file as a private or public, I have to mention what file, what is the username of that file. So for example, I have mentioned here. Now you will be promoted with the following through the creation. So enter the file which you want to make it public or private. So I have to give the path of that particular file and select the file location and enter it. So once you enter it, you have to decide it if the file should be a private or personal. Okay, that is what you need to do here. So once you decided it, it will automatically make some change, make your changes according to your security. Fine. So now entering the secure pass phase, you will create the additional layer of your security. So it will automatically give you the additional layer. So you have your files is automatic already secured, but after creating the SSH, you will add the additional layer of security. So these are the methods how can you do that. Okay. So I hope you understood. You just read this method and you will be able to understand it properly. Fine. So that's all for today's class. Thank you so much.